Hi, today I was playing with the charger of the car and I noticed that you can set the charging current independently from the car. So it's just by setting the current of the charger. Currently the charger is set at maximum charging current, which in my case it's 9.6 amps. I suppose the charger does a measurement or something and knows how much current can drain from the power outlet. And if you press both buttons and keep them pressed for a few seconds, now you are in adjustment mode and you can adjust the charging current. Let's put it in the middle. Yeah, and now it's draining 7.7 amps. And if I do it again, I'll set the low, keep them pressed again. Now it's charging with 5.8 amps. Yeah, that's very useful.